If the wall is breached, Helm's Deep will fall.
Even if it is breached, it would take a number beyond reckoning. Thousands to storm the keep.
Tens of thousands.
But, my lord, there is no such force.
A new power is rising. Its victory is at hand. This night, the land will be stained with the blood of Rohan. March to Helm's Deep. Leave none alive.